Welcome to the Stock Analysis Dashboard, an interactive business intelligence solution built in Microsoft Power BI using data from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, Cost Management, Inventory Aging Report Storage. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of inventory movement, stock valuation, and inventory balances across your organization. It enables warehouse managers, finance teams, supply chain professionals, and business leaders to monitor inventory performance in real time, improve stock visibility, and make informed inventory planning decisions. By consolidating inventory aging data into a single, interactive dashboard, organizations can quickly identify stock trends, optimize inventory levels, reduce carrying costs, and support better operational and financial decision-making. Let's begin with the filters available at the top of the dashboard. Users can dynamically filter the report by execution name, company, item, and category. These slicers instantly refresh every visual, allowing users to analyze inventory data for a specific legal entity, product, or inventory category. On the left-hand side are the key inventory quantity KPIs. These cards summarize the complete inventory movement by displaying opening stock quantity, stock in quantity, stock out quantity, closing stock quantity. These metrics provide an immediate understanding of how inventory has changed during the selected reporting period. Next to these are the inventory valuation KPIs. These display opening stock amount, stock in amount, stock out amount, closing stock amount. Together, these financial indicators help organizations monitor inventory value, validate stock transactions, and reconcile inventory balances with financial records. Moving to the center of the dashboard is the detailed inventory table. This report displays item-level information including item number, item description, site ID, opening stock quantity, opening stock unit rate, opening stock amount, along with stock movement and valuation details. This granular view allows users to drill down into individual inventory records, verify stock balances, and investigate item-specific inventory movements across warehouse locations. At the bottom of the dashboard are two analytical charts. The first chart, stock quantities by category, compares opening stock, stock in, stock out, and closing stock quantities across inventory categories such as finished goods, raw materials, and other inventory classifications. This visualization makes it easy to understand inventory movement patterns and identify categories experiencing high consumption or stock accumulation. Beside it, the stock amounts by category chart presents the corresponding financial value of inventory across the same categories. This helps finance and supply chain teams evaluate inventory investment, monitor inventory valuation, and identify where the highest inventory costs are concentrated. Thank you for exploring the Stock Analysis Dashboard. Powered by Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations Inventory Aging Reports, this solution provides accurate, interactive, and actionable inventory analytics that support smarter inventory management and stronger financial control. We hope this dashboard helps your organization improve inventory visibility, optimize stock levels, and make faster, data-driven business decisions. Thank you for your time.